Hiya.
Good morning from Rainbow
Good morning
Beach.
from England and the US.
And Australia, because that's where we are.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the Fraser Island tour is over.
Good day.
Back with Mom and Dad.
Yeah.
Get one more walk in at Rainbow Beach, and then we are headed down south.
Noosa head.
Even further down under. Huh?
That's right.
You're always gonna be the one. You only ever did it just for fun. But you run to paradise. Jenny, I meet you at the grocery store. You don't need a friend when you can score. You run to paradise.
We just had some breakfast, and I screwed up. The acai bowl was so good, I ate it too fast to get video of it. But seriously, this is one of the best acai bowls I've ever had in my life. So if you find yourself here in Rainbow Beach, that place right behind me, I don't even know what it's called. What is it? It says deli and fruit and veg. See the acai flag? It's really good. Well, we're back on the road tripping down south to Noosa Head, checking out Noosa Beach. Quality time with Mom and Dad. You can never go wrong with that. But wow, look at this view. Oh, that is beautiful. I don't even know what this is. Let me show you. We have arrived in Noosa.
Yes, we have.
I think first impressions is very similar to Carmel, California. Just a little bit bigger. It's nice. Those are some huge pigeons. Jeez. Seriously?
It's so
Seriously.
heavy. It's so heavy.
Hey, Pa,
Gold in
the
there,
American
and
way.
treasures.
Well, I got a little tired. Caught up on a nap. Did you take a nap? It's too, Mom, huh?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I don't know if I believe you guys, but
No, hey, take a
we
look at
have
the
made it to
bookings.
the beach. Wow, let me show you. It's beautiful. Mom and Dad are being kids again. Look at them catching the waves out there. Oh, I just had a refreshing swim.
Hey,
Got some boogie boarding going.
It was fun.
Interesting waves.
great beach time.
But great beach time nonetheless.
Once again,
Guys, Noosa's
how many
beautiful.
solid days?
Noosa's beautiful. Only in Australia. Y'all, it's been the most chill day ever. And I've driven for the first time in almost 4 months. It's been nice. It's weird driving on the other side of the road. Weird having the steering wheel and everything reversed. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice being behind the wheel again. Noosa is so great. If you're looking for a really relaxed beach town, highly recommend it. Really, really nice beach and friendly people. Pricey compared to the other cities, but it's worth a night or two if you ever come here. So good night from Noosa. Time for me to get some editing done. I really need to catch up, even though the Wi-Fi is terrible. But I want to edit all the footage that I had in Australia and the rest of the countries that I still need to catch up on. So see you tomorrow.